was ripped by a dog, which I could not fix. That was fixed today, so I'm really happy with that. A jewellery box, broken jewellery box, which has been fixed as well.
I got this fixed today. This is about 8-9 years old, and it's my favourite pair of trousers to wear.
He did some soldering on this piece here, just to re-put the chain back onto the piece. I think it's a pretty piece.
So I got my husband's winter jacket fixed. The stitch came off here, and then Caroline fixed my zip for the bag. 2 bags, my favourite bags.
This potentiometer in this speed controller was dirty, and I cleaned it out with alcohol.
The plug was broken and the end also, but we realized that the whole lamp is still working.
This is my first time coming to something like this. I never knew that it's happening here because there is no repair shops or there is no alteration places nearby. So I think it will be really useful for the community.
Brilliant, yeah, absolutely. I actually am thinking of loads of stuff I have at home that I want to bring the next time. Yeah, really chuffed. Girls are fab.
And it's thanks to people who give their time and their expertise that this is a lovely experience, and I'm very grateful.